Tips for a stress-free E-2 investor visa application. I recommend that you conduct your research and plan ahead. Consult an expert E-2 visa attorney to understand the requirements and to understand how long this process takes. You want to understand the investment timeline for your particular business. It's going to be different for different types of investment. Building a brick and mortar business is going to take a whole lot longer than starting or buying an existing business or starting a simple service business. And you want to have an action plan, step-by-step action plan of how you're going to accomplish your E-2 investment. And you want to make sure you do everything correctly. Source of funds, business setup, investment deployment and usage. You want to do everything correctly the first time to minimize stress and worry about your visa denial risk. I'll just give you an example. Like if you have school-age children and you want to make sure your kids start school in the USA at the beginning of the school year, so they don't miss school, have to cut into the school year in the middle and be stressed because of that. Well, most US school starts in August. That's the start of school year in most school districts. Well, with that goal, you want to reverse engineer. Let's say you're in January and you want to reverse engineer to map it out so you know how much time you have to complete your investment so that you can apply early enough and allocate 2-3 months for the US Embassy to process your application so that you can get the visa early enough that you can move your family to the US, settle down without rush. Ideally, you get here by June or July and get a place to live, find out how to enroll your kids in school and have the kids start on time in August. Well, if that's the timeline, then maybe you got to be ready to apply by April, and you only have from January to March to complete your business investment. So this is what I'm talking about, understanding your goal and reverse engineering so you have plan of action. If you have plan of action and you know what you need to do to achieve your goal, then you can avoid a lot of unnecessary stress and worry. For more information regarding E-2 Investor Visa, please visit my website, e2visalawyer.net. I have a ton of free information, blogs, videos, a free downloadable ebook that will help you understand the E-2 visa program.